Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen, and I am a sub box and, more importantly, a Disney enthusiast. So, thank you for joining me today for my winter Causebox 2020/2021. This thing, I have to say, it's the slowest thing. It's the slowest box ever, I think. Granted, it is a subscription. I'm sorry, I'm completely bad. An annual. I'm sorry, not an annual. It is a quarterly. There's the word I was looking for. A quarterly subscription. And unlike something like a FabFitFun that I swear has a sale every month, and I feel like by the time you're done with the one sale, or like the edit sale as an example, all of a sudden you're picking your next season's box. This box, I think I picked the items, I want to say November, and at the same time was a market sale, which is like the FabFitFun add-on sale. And I did get a couple items in that. I didn't do a special unboxing for it just because I thought they weren't like really exciting items. I got the one box, it was the fall box, I think it was, had a face scrub in it that I love. So I got two of those, and Volum, I think is the name of the company, and I got like a little sweeper broom thing, maybe one other item, but I can't remember what it is. But anyway, so yeah, so this is a quarterly subscription box. It's just like, if you're familiar with FabFitFun, it's just like that. The biggest difference is that they pride themselves on offering items that are sustainable, that help the environment, not hinder the environment, small companies, those types of things. It is a little bit more expensive. I think for the year, it was just over $200. So it's like around $49 or $50, something like that, a quarter. But when you pay for the year, and the one thing about paying for the year, just like a lot of the other subscription boxes, you pay the year, you get more, you get to choose more of your items. So I feel like, because I joined last summer, so I only have 2 more boxes to go. And I feel like the items you've gotten more choices. The items have definitely, I've enjoyed more than I did. So yeah, so with this box probably being my most favorite when I was seeing the items. So let's get right into it. Take no more time. The box is definitely smaller this year, or this season, which I'm fine with. It's like, it's narrower but deeper. So yeah, so let's get right into this. Let's see, where can I put this? I guess I will put this over here. And sorry. Okay. So it comes with your pamphlet. Win a free annual membership. So I don't know if you could, I think it's like, share a photo of your winter box on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. And of course, be sure to tag, enter a chance to win an annual membership. And then this, I love the sticker, and I wish they didn't put the sticker on. Actually, I would like to have kept it, but that's okay. And it's a really nice sticker too. That was really hard to rip. Okay. And then you get your postcard that you can actually use as art as well, if you wanted to. It's very pretty. Okay, so let's dive right into this. Let's waste no time, right? Okay, so it looks like they have it. No, they don't. Okay, so I like the way that they have everything mapped out here. It's not on different pages. And then the cool thing is that on the different pages, they tell you more about the items, more about how to use them, why they chose to include them in this season's box. Okay. So here we go. So for your first option, again, the only way to choose this is if you were an annual member. Was either the Thread and Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap or Rose and Fitzgerald Airbrush Go Kettle. And that's something, oh, that's the other thing, like I said, I ordered this I feel like at the end of November, and I just got it this week, which is like the third week in January. Now they are very honest. This is when we start shipping, but I just feel like it takes so much longer. And I've been seeing Causebox Unboxing since like the beginning of January. So I was one of the last annuals to get the shipping. Okay, so what I chose out of this is the cloud wrap. So soft. I'm absolutely in love. I can't try it on for you just because of the sweater I have on. It won't work. But this, oh my goodness, can you imagine just waking up on a Saturday morning, putting this on and drinking some coffee, and if you're anything like me, going down the YouTube tunnel, but oh, rabbit hole. But it is so soft, and made with 100% recycled polyester, so recycled plastic. Estimated 4.69 million water bottles derived from landfalls. And it retails for $115. Like, done, right? The other thing retail for $98, and 300 artists were employed to manufacture this kettle. It's a very pretty kettle. I know people fell in love with it, and the handle, you know, the cuteness of it. I'm cozy. I'm more of a cozy girl. Okay, so the second. Oh, okay, so this is it. So the second batch you could have either received if you were a seasonal, so you pay for your month every 3 months, or if you were an annual, you got to choose, and it's either an activated eco reusable silicone baking sheets or Boone Supply reusable zip pouch. And I did receive a zip pouch, like these things, something like this. I got in a market, I think the fall market. And I just don't like them. I don't like the hardness of them. They're so hard to clean. These seem, because they're made out of silicone instead of more harder plastic, I hope they come in a market, because I would like to try these out. I liked the variety of sizes. I've seen some unboxings that have featured these, and I think it came with like the bottom line is I like the variety of the sizes of these. But I chose the reusable silicone baking sheets. So I already have one. I have your typical baking sheets that, I forget who makes them, but there's 2 in here, and they retail for $18. I don't know if you can really see them. They're nice. They're nice. There's nothing, and I like the fact that some people say, well, I didn't need it. And no, I didn't need these, but I have found that, like, I want 2 baking sheets put in, but I only have the 1 silk mat, so I can, or whatever you may be baking. So I really, really like these. So save an average of 18 rolls of baking paper per year. And that's the other thing. I wonder if I can, how big these are. I think they're too big. I wish there were 2 sizes, because I know some of us use, not some of us, but I have one of those air fryers, toaster, oven type deals. Love it. And I wish this was a little smaller, but no big deal. Love them. This one was, I thought it was easy, but after I saw some unpackings of the bags, I'm like, oh, I kind of wish I got the bags. Okay, so then the next item is, and these have an $18 value. And the pouches had a $22 value. Okay. So I'm going to skip over number 3, because that's something that, I'll just show it. This is something everybody got, which is, there we go. It's the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. And, spoiler alert, because I'm going to show it in a little bit, my edit sale for the, I'm like nervous to open it, because I just opened another toner 12 months after opening. I should be okay. Oh, that smells so good. So anyway, spoiler alert, I got a another truffle therapy, I think, cleanser. I think it was a cleanser, because I knew I was getting this. So this is great. And this retails for $30, and people really swear by this brand. So we'll see. Okay, so the next choice, this is something we got to choose. There were 3 different items. You got the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish. I can't talk today. Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops, or Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters. So these are the items you got to choose from. And I chose, oh, for a second there, I didn't see it. I didn't think it was in there. It's like, oh my goodness. The Rejuvenating Body Polish. 18 months, nice. This, the other things, they were nice. They just, I don't wear gold. I know like a lot of people mix their metals, don't really care about their metals. I'm just one of those weird ones that do. So I don't mix anything. Oh, I just want to drink it. Let's see, there was a little bit of this. I don't know if you could see that. That's nice. It's very soft. It's not very grainy, not hard, you know, like that could maybe irritate your skin. And what I'm loving about how they've organized this catalog, some came off. It's really nice. Oh, and I love you smell like Saturday morning. I'll use this and then use my cloud wrap, and like, who needs coffee then? Serves over 5,000 small farming families, over 2 million trees planted, and increased farmers' income by 10% or 10 times. This polish, the coffee beans tighten and gently exfoliate, while the moringa oil delays the signs of aging. And this has a $34 value. I would never pay $34 for a body polish. So yay! And then I liked the face scrub that I got. So the next season's marketplace had it for like $5, something like that. So if I really like this, you go in the marketplace, hopefully it's on there the next season, and then you can get it for significantly cheaper. And I just loaded up on it. The other 2 items, the thick hoops retailed for $38, and the coasters were $42. That's crazy. And then now we're down to the last 2, the choice number 6. You could have chosen between Slouchy Socks, Maggie Organics, for $25, or Edit to Travel Beauty Pillowcase, 100% bamboo, for $25. Those are the choices there. I chose the Slouchy Socks. I haven't gotten into really the, I know people swear by the pillowcases. I just haven't gone into them yet. And I'll be late to the game like I am with a lot of things normally. These are so nice. They are so soft. They are, I would never pay $25. If it was at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, I might pay, you know, maybe $10, but even then, I don't think I would. So this is cool. And they're slouchy. And I have a feeling my 12-year-old who loves to wear her leggings and slouchy socks will be stealing these, but I won't let her. She won't know. It'll be our secret. Okay. The last thing is a yearly planner or peony foot masks. And I know that if I wanted the yearly planner, I would have been really upset if I didn't get it first. And I know some people are kind of upset about that, and I don't blame them. But I did not. I got the foot masks only because I have a planner and I kind of use it for, I already have a hard time writing in it, like to begin with. So I'm trying to get better at it. And this way then I only have it in one place. I only needed one. So I got the Soon foot masks, and is Korean, means smooth and pure, vegan and cruelty free. Give your toes some much needed TLC. Ingredients like licorice and ginger root smooth and spoil your feet, helping to restore and nourish the soles. I have some TMI. I have some gnarly feet. Like, they're cute. They're small and cute, but they get very dry. They're not very smooth. So this is something that I love. The other thing that I've been obsessed with are the peeling masks. So once I just used a peeling mask. It's in the process right now. So after that's said and done, I will definitely put one of these on and I will be ready for spring break. I don't know if we're going to go on spring break anywhere, but if we do, I'm ready for it. Anyway, so that is it. And that was a $45 value. So like these alone almost cover the cost of my box. So it'd be like these and the socks are already just, I've just paid for my box. And then, or you could just say the cloud wrap alone pays for my box. So as you can see, the value is definitely there. And I love the little magazine. And I'm so happy with this box. There's not one, the last 2 boxes, there's been a couple categories where I'm like, I really don't want anything. This is the first box that I've actually gotten from them that I'm like, everything. And I want to, just having this on my lap as I was unboxing everything else, my lap is so warm. Like, I cannot wait to use this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If there's any links, anything else, I'll put them down below. And like I said, that was my Causebox Winter 2021 box. And yeah, stay tuned. Not stay tuned, but come on back. I will be posting a FabFitFun edit sale, just a couple items. And yeah, pretty soon we'll be choosing our spring FabFitFun. So I'm really looking forward to all those spoilers. I'm one of those that love spoiling. So I hope you come back and enjoy. And I'm also hoping to do some Disney little chat with me videos as well. So talk to you soon.